Hey guys, we received this MUNBYN A4 thermal printer paper. It's a stack with a really nice heavy duty stack to be used with the MUNBYN thermal printers and the A4 size papers. So you can just use for the printing. So there is a no ink required printers that actually use the thermal technology to print on it. And these are the special papers that you have to use with those printers. So there are total 200 or the 100 sheet pack you have to choose, and they are the thermal papers compatible with the thermal printers. So you can see it's a nice. So the black spot is actually the back side, and the front side is really clean and safe. It's a US letter size with the 8.5-inch width and then the 11 inches length, and it's easy to print with the thermal printer as you can see it here. Very nice and crispy, nice papers and used with the thermal printers. So overall, this paper quality is good, and then used with any other thermal printer as well, and good to use with the MUNBYN thermal printer and these papers.